Yo, ay, man, you know what the fuck it is, yo. 205 to the 678, J, P, look, block like Lego, shoot or shoot when I say so. 100 racks on me, with a bad bitch like J-Lo.
Shade 390. Y'all know Fenty be coming through with the products, y'all.
And the chickens, these bitches be freaking, these niggas be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. These bitches be freaking, nigga be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. These bitches be freaking, niggas be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. These bitches be freaking, niggas be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. I'm in the trap with the doves and the chickens. I'm in the lack with 4 bad bitches and one of my niggas. Cause the ops like to get a little friendly. In the streets it can get a little gritty. How you standing there looking real silly? Oh, you thought it only had 100, but with the nuts it a whole 150. I bought a vet, matted out, chameleon green. I call that bitch Rango. I got a chop in the trunk, make it do the tango. I got a bitch at the crib, it's a slave ship, and she call a nigga Django. I'm with your whole name, Jamie, she a fox. Ooh, that pussy sweet like a mango. Pussy boy, you wanna hold your nuts? I just let them hold dangle. Send a nigga up top to the pearly gates. I turn his ass to an angel. Shoot you in your halo, nigga. You better lay low, nigga. If you rise, you get 8, my nigga. Like dough, my nigga. Why you do him like that, Johnny? Why? Shit, cause I said so, my nigga. No, my nigga. Said you don't even know my niggas. Curtains closed, my nigga. That's the end of the show, little nigga. Take a bow, cause it's over, nigga. Stay strapped like a soldier, nigga. 4-5 in the holster. Bun that nigga. Post that nigga, shit. Yo, we had to toast the nigga, shit. Yo, we had to yoke that nigga. Excellent shit. That one was a joke, my nigga. Laughing all the way to the bank like ha 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 ha. You a broke little nigga. About to make me choke, little nigga. Cause the bitch, she already do enough of that. And she don't even smoke, my nigga. Our squad, they squad, your squad. All up in the throat, little nigga. Block like Lego. Shoot or shoot when I say so. 100 racks on me. With a bad bitch like J-Lo. Shawty thicker than the Snickers. She addicted to taking pictures. Gang so fly. I'm in the coop with the doves and the chickens. These bitches be freaking, these niggas be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. These bitches be freaking, nigga be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. These bitches be freaking, niggas be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. These bitches.
I'm using a Laura Mercier, a little soft applicator.
For God, they so 100, smiling, grinning in your face, these niggas fake. Me and my partners a dying race. I'm taking off my gun reaction, bullet leave without a trace. Screaming, stay down till you come up. Never bite the hand that feeds you. Loyalty hard to come by. These fuck niggas be so see-through. Got they hand out when they need you, like they real when whole perceive you. She said eat your ass alive just like some motherfucking seafood. Never thought I'd be in position, facing the opposition, constantly contemplating money in my premonition. It's my only mission. Got it locked in like tunnel vision, ready to catch a body, trained to go at any instant.
Block like Lego. Shoot or shoot when I say so. 100 racks on me. With a bad bitch like J-Lo. Shawty thicker than the Snickers. She addicted to taking pictures. Gang so fly. I'm in the coop with the doves and the chickens. These bitches be freaking, these niggas be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. These bitches be freaking, nigga be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. These bitches be freaking, niggas be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. These bitches be freaking, niggas be sneaking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking. I just be geeking, be geeking, be geeking.
Like, y'all, it took me a while to catch on. Like, blending is truly key. Blending is key. You know, you gotta blend.
Yeah, just drop. Ooh, just pop. Just drop. Pop.
Now, again, I love doing my eyes, but for today, we're just going really natural. Let me know. Comment below or anything if you want to see some eye looks.
Drop that low. Ain't no cap to this bitch. We got cash flow. Running up them benches while sliding with hoe. toot that ass up. Then drop the L.O. Ain't no cap to this bitch, we got cash flow.
I ain't social with you niggas, so don't at me. Hashtag fuck your bitch, boy. Yeah, she in my backseat. Keep a $150 in the chopper, send a retweet. Got a bitch nigga in his feelings, DM Kiki. All my niggas with the extra like the gum. Beach boy, you a bitch. Walk the sand, are you a bum? Shell toes, shell cases in the ocean like they molding. Call my right the magic hand. Ain't no telling what it's holding. Look, voila, bitch is golden. Verses like it's coded. I keep it coded up. Shit, I'm rolling, nigga, roll it. And I keep it roll fat like the ass on her low end. Down, baby girl, just get the notion.
Toot that ass up, drop that L.O. Ain't no cap to this bitch, we got cash flow. Running up them benches, while sliding with hoes. Toot that ass up, drop that L.O. Ain't no cap to this bitch, we got cash flow. Running up them benches, while sliding with hoes. Toot that ass up, then drop the L.O. Ain't no cap to this bitch, we got cash flow.
And you know the motion is wet. Yeah, I float with the breeze, so cut on the jets. Yeah, I'm moving real fast while your brain's moving slow. Yeah, I'm getting real cash, ass diamonds and golds. These niggas lying like hoes, and I ain't talking Mufasa because my father going with the assault from the chopper, with the silence on. These niggas acting power shit. Wait, write the song. These bitches acting like power. Look, Ghost, write the song. I never do. All I gotta get is cheddar. Shit, I need oregano. Mama wish for better though. Only wish for better though. Look, I got better, bro. These hoes like homes. Which one are you gon' settle for?
Toot that ass up,
Jay.
drop that L.O. Ain't no cap to this bitch, we got cash flow.